Well, hello, everyone. My name is Nicole AmelioCasper. I'm the Public Relations Manager for Blue Goat Cyber, and this is Rick Turner. He is the VP of MedTech Solutions. I know we spoke a little bit the other day about the LSI Summit, so wanted to chat again to you today to ask you what you're looking forward to at the summit, and the excitement is building, correct?
Hard to think it's just around the corner, Nicole. And I'm really excited to meet some of the innovators. There's been some really brilliant, quite brilliant innovation in terms of med tech space from somebody who's coming from the healthcare environment to see where they're pushing AI, where they're pushing web applications, mobile applications, all in the interest to help patient functionality with their new devices. To get a chance to talk with those folks about those innovations, one, and then in addition, how do we help them from a cybersecurity standpoint? I think that's probably the real interest and intriguing dynamic for LSI from my standpoint.
Yeah, so talk a little bit more about that. This is really a convergence of industry leaders to really push forward, these innovations and investors that are there to support. What expertise can you bring to the table to a potential partner, and how can Blue Goat Cyber as a whole help?
Sure. The challenge for medical device manufacturers at this point in time is that we've never seen more stringent or strict FDA regulatory requirements. And so they're being asked not only to maintain innovation, but also to ensure compliance under the face of regulatory scrutiny, as well as an evolving threat landscape. It's hard to do all that internally. And that's where Blue Goat can come in and not necessarily save the day, but be somebody who can help them navigate a lot of the roadblocks and minefields that are there in terms of both the threat landscape as well as the regulatory scrutiny. With that being said, we've got a track record with over 150 devices cleared by the FDA and other global regulatory frameworks as well. And when you come to Blue Goat and you get the full service package, which includes us taking care of both the documentation as well as the testing, we've got a 100% success rate. And so we really have a expertise, if you will, in this space. And that looks like refined documents, refined processes, methodology. We understand what the FDA regulators are looking for, can help streamline that process to help the medical device manufacturers get to that finish line in the simplest way possible. When they do that, they prevent any delays or deficiencies that could affect their ability to get to market.
Okay, so one last question. What is the most common misconception in the industry among innovators, among investors?
I would say that is understanding the difference between just standard penetration testing or standard cybersecurity testing for a device versus someone who has medical device cybersecurity or penetration testing experience and expertise, that specifically within the FDA regulatory framework. There's more to what the FDA is looking for in terms of the risk determination and risk matrix used for that specific penetration testing. In terms of deliverables, there's a more comprehensive report, and they're looking for additional pieces. The FDA is in terms of the medical device when you look at that type of testing. And so understanding that that additional level is necessary is what will prevent you from having deficiencies upon submission and streamline that process for you.